I was scrolling Pinterest the other day, and I stumbled across some of the most creative upcycled jeans ideas I've ever seen, and I just knew I had to share them with you. Today, I'm showing you 25 plus ways to turn old jeans into something totally fabulous and useful, from cute accessories to home decor, and even wearable upgrades that you'd never guess came from a pair of jeans. Some of these ideas are so clever you'll wonder why you didn't think of them first. And once you see them, you might just start looking at your old denim in a whole new way. I've linked the Pinterest board in the description so you can check out all of these patterns and vote for your favorites. And once we hit 100 votes, I might even recreate the winning idea in my own style. Get ready. Because these are not your ordinary jean hacks. These are the kind of projects that make you stop scrolling and start creating. When we think about upcycling, it's easy to focus just on the project. But there's something even more powerful happening behind the scenes: the ripple effect. Every time we take an old pair of jeans and turn it into something beautiful, useful, or creative, we're sending out a wave of inspiration that can touch everyone around us. A friend who sees your patched up tote might rethink throwing out their own worn clothes. A neighbor noticing your denim wall organizer could start imagining ways to repurpose their scraps. Even online, sharing your projects, like these 25 plus Pinterest-inspired ideas, encourages people you'll never meet to take small creative steps towards sustainability and self-expression. Upcycling teaches more than sewing skills. It teaches perspective, patience, and the ability to see value in what others overlook. And the coolest part? These ripples don't stop. They grow. A simple jeans to bag project might spark a series of DIY creations in your community, motivate kids to explore their own creativity, or even inspire someone to start a small business using repurposed materials. If you vote for your favorite idea here in the video, once we reach 100 votes, I may recreate the winning project in my own style. There's also a link to a tutorial video playlist in the description with more tutorials from past videos and additional inspiration. Some of the helpful products I've linked below, like sewing machines, needles, and fabric, make these projects easier and more fun, so your wave of inspiration can keep going without getting stuck on technical challenges. Every stitch, patch, and scrap you repurpose isn't just saving material, it's teaching you. And anyone who sees your creations, that creativity and sustainability can grow together. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this, get inspired by these 25 plus ideas, and watch the next video for more projects you'll love. I'll see you there.